Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the active command prompt window and any processes it controls. Check the title bar for CMD, EXE, or Administrator, command prompt, and make sure you save or copy output you need. If background scripts or editors are running from the shell, stop them first so you avoid data loss. Once done, you'll be ready to issue a clean exit. This reduces risk and ensures the system state is predictable when you close the session. You now execute the command to terminate the session. Type exit and press enter. That instructs the shell to shut down gracefully. If a command is still running, press Ctrl+C to interrupt it before you type exit, because forcing closure can corrupt output. If you're in a nested shell, for example PowerShell launched inside CMD, you may need to type exit twice to unwind both shells. These steps ensure processes terminate cleanly and temporary resources are released. Finally, you can use Alt+F4 or click the window X to close the command prompt if typing exit is not possible. If the window is unresponsive, open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+S and end the CMD. EXE process, but make sure critical work is saved first. As a troubleshooting tip, if the shell still won't close properly, restart Windows Explorer or sign out and back in to reset user shells. This typically clears hung terminals and restores normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.